Hey everybody, this is a quick video to show you how to do a hard restart on a Polar M200 Fitness Tracker. This will restore all of the default settings, factory settings like it was when it came out of the box. You might need to do this as part of troubleshooting if it's not connecting or not working right, or if you're selling or you bought a used watch and you just want to make sure you're getting it fresh with the factory default settings. We can do this. It's pretty easy to do. All we're going to do is we're going to come in and on the right button here, we're going to do a short tap to toggle through the options and then a long tap to select. So we're going to short tap down to settings, and then we're going to press and hold to select settings. And then we're going to short tap to about device, and then press and hold to select about device. And then we're going to short tap to restart and press and hold the restart button, and then confirm it. Now, that will just restart it without resetting all the factory settings. But what you'll do is when it goes through its restart process, it'll turn off, and then turn back on. And when it turns back on and the logo appears on the screen, as soon as that happens, you want to press and hold the left button and just keep holding the left button until it says on the screen it will show restoring. And then it will go through a restore process where it will restore all of the default factory settings.